When we head in, the first thing to do is I'd like you to take your place, take your seat inside the rocket, facing the moon, okay? So at the very beginning of our journey, we came and found a place inside the rocket, put on our space helmets, our space suits, space gloves and boots.
Space everything.
We put on our seat belts, we held on tight and we blasted off.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Getting louder, lots of shaking. We're in space. And when we finally got out to space, we could feel what it was like to float in space. We took our seatbelts off and we floated around the cabin. Floated upside down with our legs in the air. We went to the window and we looked out, back down to Earth. We pushed off from the walls. We found our way to this other space here. We put on our oxygen tanks. We stepped out onto the moon. We had to carefully walk across the surface of the moon, very slowly. And then we kicked up the dust on the moon and watched it settle. Remember when we kicked the balloons up into the air and watched them all fall down? That was the dust of the moon. Then we made our way into the magical and mystical moon forest, where we came across these magical moon balloon trees. And we each had one we had a special connection with. And we explored what life was like on the moon for these moon balloon trees. Swaying back and forth, moving around the space. And then while we were on the moon, we looked at some physics of how balloons work when they're blowing up and puffing down, and we all got to experience what it's like to be a balloon like that. And then finally we made our way back into the rocket, put on all our gear, strapped ourselves in, blasted up from the moon, went through space, came down through the Earth's atmosphere and crashed into the ocean where we're floating now at the end of our journey. You all did a fantastic job. Excellent astronauts.